Arca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
A spring-like storm system on the way for very late tonight after midnight through Friday. Most of it, in fact, just about all of it will be in the form of rain. Well after midnight, a few wet snowflakes may mix in at the start, but it's primarily a wet situation. Now, on Doppler radar, clouds are rolling in, but we are not finding any precipitation, so the evening hours will stay dry. Live pictures now along the South Shore, Narragansett Town Beach, cloudy skies, 37. Look how calm the water is, how still it is. Come tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, especially the time of high tide, which is around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, with a southerly gale at 40 to 50 miles per hour, the tide coming in, there's going to be some pretty big rollers and some very, very heavy surf along the South Shore. So spring-like storm, heavy rain likely, on the order of 1 to 2 inches. Now, there may be some isolated 3-inch amounts, but 1 to 2 inches seems likely. So small stream and street flooding is possible, and that's why the flood watch has been issued. The major rivers, the Blackstone, the Patuxent, they will rise. However, at this point, they are anticipated to stay below flood stage. Melting temperatures, readings approaching 50, and the winds will be a factor as well, gusting out of the south between roughly 40 and 50 miles per hour. So that could create some isolated power outages. One reason why the storm is so energetic, storms love to form along boundaries between very warm and cold air. You can clearly see two seasons along the east coast today. Very cold up to the north and quite warm to the south. And it's right along this boundary between warm and cold. These storms get energized. They create a lot of wind and severe weather and rain and snow, and this is going to be a significant storm in terms of precipitation for the entire eastern half of the country. But for us, no snow this time around. It'll be too warm. Downtown Providence, cloudy skies, 37 on a south breeze at 13, humidity at 64%, so no weather problems. Temperatures are above freezing, and they'll stay above freezing all night long. If anything, late at night, they'll rise rather than fall. So high pressure that was in control today, moving away. Now, off to our west, we have some isolated, very light rain and snow showers. So late tonight, a light rain or snow shower. But as the warmer air takes over, it'll transition over to an all-rain storm. As you can see, all that moisture now across the Mississippi River Valley, and this is headed our way for late tonight, right on through tomorrow. Futurecast shows this well. 10 o'clock this evening, cloudy and dry. Little blips of blue and green indicating a light rain or snow shower overnight. By 4 o'clock in the morning, it's mostly rain, and then it really starts to come down. The orange and yellows indicate heavy downpours. Here we are at about 11 o'clock in the morning, raining very hard. Could even be the rumble of thunder. Very strong wind at this time. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still coming down rather heavily. Temperatures upper 40s to low 50s. And then by Friday evening, Friday night, the whole system is pulling away. So dry for this evening. Temperatures in the 30s. A slow morning commute tomorrow with rain and wind. Some, not all, but some storm drains are still clogged up with ice and snow. So street flooding is a possibility. And then during the afternoon, the rain and the wind continues along with very mild temperatures. Looking at readings approaching the 50s. Clearing out tomorrow night, setting up for a decent day on Saturday. Some snow of all things, light snow moving in on Sunday, perhaps a small accumulation of an inch or two, 34, and then a rainstorm returns on Monday with warmer air and a high temperature at 50 along with strong winds. So talk about active weather over the next roughly 4 days. And there may be some isolated power outages. If you get winds up to 50, some of these tree limbs have been weakened from all the ice and snow that we had this winter season.
Got to clear off their trains, too.
There you go.